In May, UIL and TEA officials agreed to allow school districts to host strength and conditioning summer sessions. But after a Brownsville and San Benito student tested positive for COVID-19, the Brownsville district postponed strength and conditioning until July 13th.
My heart goes out to really our coaches for all the planning they did just leading up to it. It's not something where you can just get onto the field and start working out like in years past. There's lots of things that had to be put into place.
Coach Leal says there was lots of excitement as students packed the fields for training, with more than 1,000 attending last week.
It's really important that we have an opportunity to be able to get our student athletes in shape before they get into the fall, because health is the #1 issue.
Edinburgh, PSJA, Weslaco, and McAllen school districts have joined Brownsville in postponing their programs. But districts like Harlingen say they are going forward, doing everything they can to protect kids.
We have a lot of precautions in place. Surveys, temperature checks, sanitizing our equipment. Students aren't even allowed to walk through a gate until they've gone through a health check.
Glenn says the situation is fluid and they are closely monitoring developments, as are coaches in Mission, who say not one athlete has tested positive, and they are meeting every safety guideline, with the district entrusting coaches to keep kids safe.
So it's a voluntary, not assignment, but a voluntary activity. And our district has said, if you will follow these guidelines that the UIL and TEA and the governor's office have put out, we're in support of it.
While there is extreme disappointment in the postponement, Coach Leal says it was the right decision for the district.
In the long run, it's just safer that, there's too many unknowns. We could do everything right as a school district, and if there's any positives that came out with us being able to bring, our #1 resource, our student athletes, back into our schools, it's just not worth it for us.
In McAllen, with complete Valley coverage, Mike Jimenez, CBS 4 Valley at 6.